In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize landing pages in HubSpot. Landing pages are a crucial part of any marketing strategy, so getting them just right is essential for converting visitors into leads or customers. Now, whether you're new to HubSpot or simply looking to polish your skills, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure your landing pages truly stand out. First, let's get started by logging into your HubSpot account. This is your central dashboard for managing all your marketing efforts, so make sure you access the platform with your proper credentials. If you've forgotten your password, HubSpot provides a password recovery option, so don't worry about being locked out. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the Content tab. Under this section, you'll find Landing Pages. This is where all your landing page magic happens. Take a moment to explore the various options available, as getting familiar with this section will greatly enhance your customization process. With that sorted, it's time to select the specific landing page you'd like to customize. Think about the goals you have for this page, whether it be gathering information via a form, promoting a product, or providing more information about a service. Imagining your end goal will help guide your design choices. Simply click on the page title you wish to edit, and it will open in the editor. HubSpot offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor, which means you can tailor each element to your liking without needing extensive coding knowledge. You can click on any section you'd like to change, whether it's adjusting the text, adding images, or incorporating a video. As you work through these changes, remember to think about the visual impact and how elements align with your branding. One fantastic feature HubSpot provides is the ability to customize the mobile version of your landing page separately. Given the increasing number of users who browse on their phones, ensuring a smooth mobile experience is vital. Make sure to switch to the mobile view within the editor to see how everything looks there and make adjustments if needed. Once you're satisfied with the design and layout, you can click on the Preview button. This allows you to see how your page will appear to visitors before it goes live. Make any final adjustments to ensure everything looks perfect and functions as it should. Finally, you've reached the last step, publishing your landing page. Click on the Publish button, and then your customized page will be live, ready to engage your audience. Remember, it's always a good idea to periodically review and update your landing pages to keep them fresh and in line with current campaigns or branding updates. And there you have it, a beautifully customized landing page in HubSpot. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check back for more tutorials.